Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 20th episode of the academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll complete our argument essay supporting paragraphs by adding discussion and conclusion sentences to them. So let's get started. So in the first supporting paragraph, we're trying to talk about the difficulties in making friends. This is how you can complete this paragraph. Furthermore, language plays such a crucial role in helping relationships gel that without it, communication is hampered and so are interpersonal relationships of any sort. It is therefore clear that weak language skills result in myriad social issues, including making friends. Now we should do the same thing to the second supporting paragraph. Struggling to master a new language can be crippling to the point that it might upend the employment chances of an otherwise qualified person altogether, for professional matters revolve around verbal communication. Obviously, language learning difficulties can bring about practical problems such as unemployment. In the next episode, we'll complete our discussion essay supporting paragraphs. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.